Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am wearing just one of 3 of these awesome, super comfy pajama pants. These are from PNAEONG, and these pants are so comfy and really breathable for summer. Really, they make sleeping really comfortable. This comes with a 3-pack, and this is a Bermuda style short, and all of them have a really comfy elastic waistband. They're made out of a cotton polyester mix, so they have a nice soft touch to each of them. The prints on these are really vibrant and colorful even after washing multiple times, and I went with the blue and the purple and the light blue pack, and you can see that each of them has a really beautiful, sweet, soft print. These pajamas are so comfortable. They're great if you're having a lazy day around the house, just lounging around, and especially in the warmer weather, they provide lots of comfort because they're the perfect length. I am 5'4", and on my frame, they come to about mid of the top of my leg, and I really like that because I don't feel like they're riding up at night and that they are going to be uncomfortable or give me a wedge while I'm sleeping. I really love that these pajamas are available in a 3-pack. It makes them so easy to wear one and to be able to have use of them all week so that you can sleep comfortably and be nice and cool for the summer. But that's just my point of view.